How to make a credit card payment from Bank of America app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In this video, I'll simply show you how you can make a credit card payment using the Bank of America mobile app. So make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to make a credit card payment using the Bank of America app, what you have to do is just simply go ahead and then open the Bank of America application. And then once you open the Bank of America app, you want to simply make sure to log into your mobile banking over here. Once you log into your mobile banking, just click on the Bill Pay button, which is at the bottom, to start your enrollment. After you do that, just click on the Enroll to get started button. Then check the enrollment terms and conditions and then click on I agree from the bottom of the screen over here. Once you do that, in the Add Account section, enter the information for the account you wish to make your payment from, including the routing number and account number, and you may also need to verify your account using trial deposits. Now successfully, you have added an account, so just click on the Done button to continue. Next, select the account you want to pay, the amount, as well as the deliver by date. If you wish to set up a recurring payments for the same amount on a schedule you choose, go ahead and select the option called Frequency. Once you do that, make sure that you check all information prior to selecting pay, because money will not come out of your account until the scheduled delivered by date option. Now you can also save a copy of your payment or print or email your payment information before you click done. You can also view a scheduled payment history in the activity tab. This is all it takes to go ahead and then actually pay credit card bills on Bank of America. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.